In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page orientation in LibreOffice Writer. If you've ever tried to fit a wide table or an image on a page and it keeps spilling over, changing the orientation is the fix. Start by opening LibreOffice Writer. You can launch a new blank document or open an existing file you want to update. If it's an important document, consider saving a copy first so you can easily undo big layout changes later. With the document open, look to the top menu bar. Click Format, then choose Page Style. This opens the settings that control how your pages are laid out. On some systems, the application menu sits at the very top of your screen rather than inside the window, so make sure you're selecting Format from the main menu. A dialog box appears with several tabs. Click the Page tab. This is the hub for paper size, margins, headers and footers, and of course, orientation. Taking a moment to know where things are here will save you time whenever you need to tweak your layout. Within the Page tab, find the Paper Format section. Look for Orientation, then choose either Portrait or Landscape. Portrait is the default, taller than it is wide, and it's great for letters, essays, and most documents. Landscape is wider than it is tall and works best for spreadsheets, wide charts, timelines, or any content that needs extra horizontal space. After you switch, imagine how your content will reflow. Wide items will have more room, but long paragraphs may take up more lines. Once you've made your choice, click OK. That applies the orientation to your entire document that uses the current page style. Most documents use the default page style, so everything will flip together. If some pages don't change, they may be using a different page style. That's normal in complex templates. After applying the change, scan a few pages to confirm the layout looks right. If the margins feel too tight or too generous in the new orientation, you can revisit the same dialog to adjust them on the Page tab. It's also a good moment to check headers, footers, and page numbers, since their spacing can look different after the switch. And that's it. You opened your document, went to Format, Page Style, switched orientation on the Page tab, and applied the change. With this quick adjustment, your document will better fit the content you're sharing. Thanks for watching, and happy writing.